Tanya at Good Crafts with a project share for you. I have one final video for you for the Kokorosa collaboration that I did. I got this last die set. Super cute little apron, pots and pans, and I really love how it works. It's going to be so much fun. I did make one card with it so far, and see how you like it. This is the card I made. Isn't it cute? I love how it turned out. It's got all the little pots and pans. I only used one and the apron, but I just love all the little different pots and pans. I think it's going to come up with some really great cooking cards. I think for Father's Day it's going to be fun. For Mother's Day it's going to be fun. I think for all the traditional holidays it could be fun, using different colors of pots and pans, maybe decorating or adding elements to the apron. I think it's going to be awesome. This would be super cute for a dinner invitation or even a thank you card. Something like that would be really great. But really truly enjoyed the die set of the little pots and pans in the apron. So this is the one that came with it. I actually added, this is another die set that came that was in my stash, but they worked really well together in this instance. So this is the die set. I'll be adding the links to the description box so that you guys can check it out as well and use the discount code. So I hope you guys love it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I will see you next time. Thanks again. Bye-bye.